Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you guys are all having a great day as usual. So today I'm going to show you guys how to cover strawberries. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you wash them really good. I usually just wash them off with water and some baking soda, and that helps a lot, get all that dirt off and everything. And then you want to make sure that you are drying them as best as you can, otherwise the chocolate isn't going to stick to it like it should. And so yeah, then you just want to take some chocolate wafers and essentially just melt that for 30-second intervals at a time. And then you can take those strawberries and just dip them in there. I try to cover them the best that I can. Some people I know only go up to a certain point, but I try to get as much of it possible. And then you can basically just decorate them however you want. This time I decided just to use some sprinkles. The theme for the cake was basically just pink, but I decided to add some white and gold in there as well. So I just did different colors, or different sprinkles in the pink and the white and the gold, and then just did the chocolate in white and pink, and I figured that would probably be good. Yeah, so I also, for the chocolate, sorry, cracking my knuckles. Um, so for chocolate, I know a lot of people don't like to mix food coloring. There is a special kind of color that you can use for chocolate. I find that like normal food coloring that I use for my cakes, like the gel coloring, works fine for chocolate. I know like the white stuff doesn't work as well, but the pink worked fine, so I just use that because I don't have any issues with that. But yeah, this is how they turned out, and I hope you guys like the video, and yeah, please remember to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Okay, bye.